guys? I'm gonna show you a fridge video. Haven't done one of these in a while. Thought that it would be pretty cool to let you guys know what I'm eating, what's in my fridge. So let's get this started. Alright, right here we have grass-fed butters. Here I have a couple tomatoes, wheat germ, raw, organic flaxseed, some grass-fed cheeses. This is actually homemade raw curd cheese that my Amish friend gave me, where I get my raw milk from. This is all grass-fed, homemade. It's very, very delicious. And it's the best curd that I've ever had. Down here we have some organic ketchup, organic mustards, a good brand of horseradish, lemon juice, some Vegenaise, some dill pickles, organic carrots. Down here we have some organic Worcester sauce. Here I have a original ginger brew, ginger ale from Reed's. These are really, really good sodas. If you guys have never had those, you gotta try that out. I really like this with my popcorn, and they actually put real ginger root in here. 17 grams of fresh ginger per bottle. It's got a nice bite to it. It's pretty good. Here's my healthy vinaigrette, salad dressing, organic apple cider vinegar, some lettuce, some omega-3 fish oil, some Madre Labs Midori greens. Down here I have some green bell peppers. Here I have some leftover fried potatoes, a big bowl of salad leftovers. I got a bunch of oranges in the back, big thing of kale. I'm losing my bowl of salad. Here's some apples, some spinach, mushrooms, cucumbers here, some chicken, natural chicken breasts. Here I have some grass-fed yogurt, plain. And here is my freshly made chicken broth. It looks just like Jell-O. Look at that. It's actually hard on top. It's awesome. It's very, very good. I actually see a piece of hair on top of this. There, I got it. Alright, moving up here we have some more raw cheeses. This is a Swiss raw cheese, pepper jack raw cheese. We got feta cheese. This is really good in salad. Some sprouted bread. Here is a whole bowl of my homemade chicken, leftover chicken. Excellent for chicken sandwiches. Eat a lot of those. Chicken's also great to put into your salad. Back there I got some free-range eggs. And here we have some of my raw milk. I'm almost out of this gallon. But right there you can see the cream on the top. Right there, all that is cream. It is so delicious. And this is from Jersey cows, and the cows are now eating a lot of the good spring grass, so it's really, really good. Down here I have an onion, and then moving upwards, yes, my freezer is full. I have some organic tomato sauce, some wild blueberries, This is actually some banana peanut butter ice cream that I made, homemade. All this is basically frozen bananas and peanut butter. We got some New York strip steaks here. These are grass-fed. Here is a cube steak, grass-fed. Grass-fed beef bones. This is all local. My brother-in-law, they have cows and they butcher cows and they give me their meat. Here's some bones. Make beef broth, organic corn, organic mixed vegetables. We got broccoli, strawberries, a lot of vegetables in here. Wild salmon in the back. And then I got Alvarado Street Bakery sprouted whole wheat breads. This one's flaxseed. They actually sell these now in Walmart, which is pretty awesome. On the frozen section. So that's my freezer. And over here I have some of these natural avocado potato chips. They're really good. All that is in on those potatoes. Sea salt, avocado oil, and some bananas and orange. And over here I got some my Celtic sea salt, pink sea salt, and of course, I can't live without my Nutiva coconut oil. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, favorite, and subscribe.